Welcome to our channel, where we unravel the mysteries and marvels of the future. Today, we embark on a thrilling journey into the future of robotics and AI. Fasten your seatbelts, and let's dive in. Segment 1: The Rise of Robotics. Robotics has come a long way since its inception. With advancements in artificial intelligence, we are witnessing the birth of incredible machines capable of performing complex tasks. From industrial manufacturing to healthcare and even household chores, robots are revolutionizing the way we live and work. Segment 2: Humanoid Robots. One of the most fascinating areas of robotics is humanoid robots. These robots mimic human form and behavior, blurring the line between humans and machines. They can interact with us, learn from us, and even assist us in various tasks. Let's explore some of the incredible achievements in humanoid robotics. Segment 3: Autonomous Vehicles. Autonomous vehicles are reshaping the transportation industry. With AI at their core, self-driving cars and trucks are paving the way for a future of safer and more efficient transportation. Join us as we uncover the technology behind autonomous vehicles and the impact they will have on our roads. Segment 4: Drones. Drones have taken the world by storm, capturing breathtaking aerial footage and transforming industries such as filmmaking, agriculture, and delivery services. These unmanned aerial vehicles are becoming increasingly intelligent, enabling them to perform tasks with precision and accuracy. Discover the wide range of applications drones offer and their potential in shaping the future. Segment 5: Impact on Industries. The advancements in robotics and AI are not only exciting but also hold tremendous potential for industries. From streamlining manufacturing processes to enhancing healthcare services, these technologies are transforming the way businesses operate. We will explore some key industries and the impact they can expect from embracing robotics and AI. Segment 6: Ethical Considerations. As we witness the rapid development of robotics and AI, it's crucial to address the ethical implications surrounding their use. We will delve into topics such as privacy, job displacement, and the responsibility of ensuring these technologies are used for the benefit of humanity. Segment 7: Future Applications. What does the future hold for robotics and AI? In this segment, we'll explore some of the mind-boggling applications on the horizon. From robotic exoskeletons enhancing human capabilities to AI-powered virtual assistants revolutionizing our homes, we'll dive into the exciting possibilities that await us. Segment 8: Advancements in Machine Learning. Machine learning lies at the heart of AI's evolution. In this segment, we'll uncover the advancements in machine learning algorithms that are fueling the progress of robotics. From deep learning to reinforcement learning, we'll discuss how these techniques enable robots to adapt, learn, and make decisions on their own. Segment 9: Collaborative Robots in the Workplace. The rise of collaborative robots, also known as cobots, is transforming the way we work. These robots are designed to collaborate and interact with humans, creating a safer and more efficient work environment. Join us as we explore how cobots are revolutionizing industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and even customer service. Segment 10: Ethical Considerations, AI and Bias. As AI becomes more prevalent in our lives, it's essential to address the issue of bias in algorithms. In this segment, we'll discuss the ethical considerations surrounding AI and the steps being taken to ensure fairness, transparency, and accountability. Join us as we explore the challenges and solutions to mitigate bias in AI systems. Segment 11: The Future of Robotics in Space Exploration. The possibilities of robotics and AI extend beyond Earth. In this segment, we'll delve into the role of robots in space exploration. From rovers exploring distant planets to autonomous spacecraft, we'll showcase how robots are paving the way for scientific discoveries and advancing our understanding of the universe. Segment 12: Human-Robot Collaboration, a Balancing Act. As robots become more integrated into our lives, Finding the right balance between human and machine collaboration becomes crucial. In this segment, we'll discuss the importance of maintaining human skills and expertise while leveraging the capabilities of robots. Join us as we explore the symbiotic relationship between humans and robots in various fields. Segment 13: Challenges and Opportunities. While the future of robotics and AI holds immense promise, it also presents challenges. In this segment, we'll address the concerns surrounding job displacement, cybersecurity, and the impact on privacy. We'll also discuss the opportunities for innovation, new job roles, and the potential for a more sustainable and connected world. And that concludes our captivating journey into the future of robotics and AI. We hope this in-depth exploration has sparked your imagination and showcased the incredible advancements happening around us. Stay tuned for more exciting content as we continue to uncover the wonders of tomorrow.